Good morning, everybody, and welcome once again to our morning empowering conversations. So, today we have reached session number 44. We are very pleased to see Mr. Ashok again with us. What a privilege, what an honor. Thank you, Kuldeep ji. Thank you, each and every one of you, eminent, wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary people, for joining us. We make the world a better place, remember that. Our presence on this planet has contributed greatly to make this place a wonderful place. Otherwise you wouldn't be there on this morning meeting. Do you know that? So thank you very much, and let's have a great early morning conversation so that we can start the day on a right note. And remember that we are positivity generators. Whoever's life we will touch will be turned positive, and as we give, it will come back to us multiplied. Well, why don't you tell him? Why are you putting on the chat? Ashok ji, somebody is saying that you remind him of the legendary singer Mahendra Kapoor. Anyways, all right. So, how was your day yesterday? I'd love to hear from you. Mine was another great one. Every day, a new breakthrough happening. Yesterday, I went into another domain, completely new thing, which I've been resisting for a long time. And I used to think that I don't have the brains for it, so I'm learning it just to challenge my own negative belief that I cannot learn it. Okay. Once I learned it, I'll share with all of you. So let's hear from some of you now. You can unmute and speak.
Good morning, sir. This is Reddy here.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, I am a little confused because we are learning day by day so many things. I am not able to practice it. So I just need some advice because every week we are learning something on the Good to Great program. Every day we are learning something here. But I'm a little confused how to practice everything because there is a confusion in my mind. So I just want to clarify.
Very good. Congratulations. If there is confusion in your mind, that means your rigidly held old points of view are getting released. Okay. So this is something which I say to people. I'm saying to you, allow the wisdom that you are getting to you. And there are one or two practices. Remind me at the end. These are simple practices. There's nothing confusing. You can do that. There are not so many of them. What is happening is that your mind is getting exposed to new distinctions, new ways of thinking and new ways of being. So just let it use you. It's going to make a difference to you. And if you want some extra guidance on it, you can always call me up or send me a message and I will call you up. See, the thing is, you will have to call me up and I will certainly clear any of your confusions. And we can clear it here also. Hang on a bit. Some of the simple ones you can do, like generating positive by laughter. You can do the one called keeping your attention in your control, that exercise every day to strengthen it. That is easy.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, so do what you can.
Okay.
And every day we are asking you a question to think about. So when you think about it, new things open up. Thank you so much, Reddy Garu, for asking.
No, my problem is I feel guilty because I have not done the what you have told me yesterday because it's all piling up.
What was there to do yesterday, by the way?
So you wanted to do new possibilities.
Yeah, so you wanted you to think of new possibilities.
But I just want to know new possibilities in business or life or day to day. What exactly I have to think? I don't know.
Sir, any possibility, whichever ones show up, no? Why are you narrowing down look, be open. Whatever possibility comes, take it and see what it is. Is it coming for business? Is it coming for relationship? Is it coming for your health? Whatever comes,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
I love you. You have such a lovely logical mind. Huh? So it doesn't matter. Whichever ones come, can you be open like that?
Okay.
What new possibility? What else is possible for me? And then see what comes. Right? Because you don't know what he wants to send to you.
Okay.
Do we know? Do we know what is his plan for us? We don't know, no?
No, we don't know.
Yeah, so let it come. Let us see what happens.
Okay.
So remember, every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of ourselves. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
So whatever he sends will be good only, na? Not only will it be good, it will be great.
Okay, sir.
All right. Thank you very much for asking and sharing. Who else? Come on, guys. Tell me what was your day like yesterday.
Yeah.
Let's ask Kuldeep ji. Okay, let's ask
Yeah.
Suresh ji.
Yeah.
First, Suresh. Yes,
Yesterday midnight there was a power off.
Oh.
Okay, so I got up and I could not get the sleep. So I shared a beautiful song in Telugu to my group fellows.
Wow.
Early morning there was a good comment. Like you energized our
Okay.
early mornings.
Wonderful. That's why you were first to join in the morning.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing. Who's next? There you are, sir. Go for it. Yeah, it's unmuted.
Sir, yesterday's homework was okay, what else is possible. I did a minor thing, which is that I have got a lot of books which I have arranged and which also I have digitized, in the sense that they are all available to me in computer and also in the mobile. But what I was finding, when you say what else is possible, I found that only 20% of these books which I read more often, so they should be easily accessible to me. That was not the case, because some book is there which is kept in the back row, so it is little more difficult. So what I tried, I rearranged all the books, found out these 20% they should be in the front row available, and may revise my index. That makes my life much more easier.
And you're giving a lot of people a lot of ideas, So that's wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing it. Okay, who's next?
Good morning,
So
sir.
just one moment, before you share, I just want, for the benefit of all the new people who are joining, who are coming here for the first time, the purpose of these morning conversations is to generate positivity in our life. So we always start by inviting people to share their experience of the previous day. And once they have done that, then we look at a new distinction, a new learning. Okay, so that's what is going on. So go ahead, please share.
Yes, sir. Yesterday, after I think a very, very long time, I had a smooth day, unturbulent day. I won't say a peaceful day, but it was totally unturbulent and I was non-reactive.
Wow.
So that felt wonderful. It was too good to be true.
You should have some nice songs like Ye Sham Mastani.
नहीं, उतना भी नहीं था.
क्यों नहीं? Otherwise, you could have sung something like गाता रहे मेरा दिल. तो आपकी मंजिल तो आपको मिली गई है ना?
अच्छा, let's see.
Very nice. Thank you very much. That is very enlivening. Okay, who else? Next. Yes, sir. Anand Kumar ji, would you like to share your yesterday's experience? What happened during the day? Did you enjoy it?
Day was a little bit as usual, but evening was a really splendid one. Late evening,
Wow.
I can say, or early night, whatever you say.
All right.
I was in one of the group where they have a combination of three things. One is as what we did on the attention focus, that is sort of little exercise, pranayam and all these things. The another one is some meditation, the part of it. The third part is, that is again how to concentrate your mind and all that. The third part is some vocal bhajans, what it is called as bhajan. It's a combination of these three activities that platform is handling. And to my surprise, I was selected as a coordinator for coordinating all the associations with that association and getting coordinated with other associations.
So that is something which very naturally happens to you, no?
Yeah, yes. Yeah.
Good. Congratulations. So one more time, for the umpteenth time. Congratulations for sharing it also.
This is in routine what I am doing, but this is the additional thing I got yesterday.
Wonderful, wonderful. You know something, Anand, you have such a great network with whom you could share this morning conversations and let them be a part of this.
Sure, sir. No,
That would be a wonderful thing.
in fact, I'm doing it even without this thing. See, my own system, Sukhdev sir, Sukhdev Pakji is, I take the initiative. I go and join the new platforms. If I'm satisfied, no one has to tell me that I should go on promote.
Yeah, I know you're a natural. Thank you very much for sharing it.
Thank you.
Yes, Ashok ji, go ahead.
There's a confusion in my mind. Actually, when you opened the topic today, you said all that I wanted to say.
You're most welcome to repeat it.
But I cannot repeat it in the same influential words so that everybody else will hear.
You never know. You're not an ordinary guy. You might say in better words. Who knows? Trust yourself and go ahead.
Yeah. I do trust. Otherwise, I won't be here. And when I know
say in your own words.
Exactly the same point. But what I want to talk about, which happened 3 days ago, you had plan and the roots which we were talking about.
Yeah.
And I had asked a question after you left. I asked a question and it was not replied, but next day also it remained somehow. We have been told in school, college, everywhere that you must have an aim. Without aim, the life is like any other animal, just wandering. No, you must know at the age of 40 where you want to be, etc., etc. And for achieving that aim, you must have a plan. Now, what I differentiate between plan and a route, the plan is a different thing and a route is a different thing. I think what you wanted to say was a route and not the plan. The plan is that at such and such time, I want to be MD of a company. Agreed. I want to have my own business. Agreed. The route to that could be different. And what I understood you saying that please do not decide only one route. There could be alternate routes. There could be, to give a simple example. I think many people will be knowing Mumbai. Going from Mumbai to Thana, I can go by bus, I can go by train, I can go by my car, I can go via Mumra, I can go by Western Express. There are 10, 15 alternatives which are available, and I should not be bogged down by only one route. That is what you wanted to say as a plan, and not plan as such that if there is no aim, it's wandering. So aim has to be there, plan has to be there, but the route is alternate, should be all open. And that exactly what I did yesterday. The urgent things, medium things, and the things that can wait. For example, monthly bill. The companies have started sending 1 month in advance, your bill is due. And once for us senior people, when a notice comes, bill is due, we start palpitation. क्या हो गया बाबा, कौन सा रह गया, कोई काटने वाला है क्या? क्या काटने वाले? पानी काटने वाले, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी काटने वाले, क्या काटने वाले? So whether to give attention to which point at what point, and how much should we spend time on that? That is what I did yesterday, and I'm glad to inform you that maybe 5-6 points are remaining, but the rest have been totally taken care. Thanks for
fantastic. And I told you, Ashok ji, I told you will say it better than I did. So see, what I was saying is not that you don't have a plan. Did you attend the session on the next day after you did?
Yes.
The whole idea is in this world today, even big companies are realizing that we have to be agile. Correct. So we may have an objective. I'll call it a target, goal or a target, whatever it is. And if you get stuck to only one route, then you are in trouble. And you can be flexible to adapt, so every moment, when you live your life from choice and possibility, every moment a new possibility shows up.
Sure.
And then if you are rigid, no, I have to only do it this way, then you got stuck. So you are cutting out so many other helpful things which are coming. So you very beautifully summarized it. Thank you so much.
Can I add one line?
Certainly, sir.
Maybe 25 or 30 years ago, when I attended Bombay Management Association's residential course, they said, even the sun doesn't rise at the same place every day.
So
why
true.
are you worried about it? You can always find a new place to new route to find out answer to your question. Don't go by that, because the sun rises. So even when he doesn't rise on the same time at the same place every day, how can you be bogged down for the same process of finding out answer? Forget about it.
How true.
Every morning you are with fresh person, find out something new. Don't go by what you did yesterday. If you have done something wrong, accept it.
True.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Anand Bhai, you wanted to say something, your hand was raised.
Yes, I wanted to share one more thing about yesterday.
Yes, sir, please do.
If you remember, in February, we had a World Global Conference, virtual conference on water and waste management.
Yes. You had publicized it quite a lot.
Yeah. So yesterday we received our recognition letters from the president of the organizing committee. The official letters have come yesterday. The minutes of the meeting have come. The embossed letters will follow soon.
Okay. You must be knowing Mr. Sunil Gorawat.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll talk offline a lot about EA water.
Whenever I am listening to Ashokji, I am always grateful to him for the way he expresses, and that has got a typical experience of the Rotarian touch.
Yeah, he is one of our senior Rotarians, senior most.
Yes. I represent Club 9216, that is Nigeria Rotary Club.
Areva. So we are now 3 Rotarians here.
Yeah.
I'm from Brave Hearts. And who knows how many more are there who are not saying it. So good. Thank you very much for being with us, Anandji. All right, who's next? Let's hear from 1 or 2 more people. And what about my guys?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir, and good morning, everyone. I would like to do a little share of yesterday, which is little strange. I was talking to one of my friend. He's a nice guy, and I really wanted to help him. He's a very rigid but very nice guy, very good guy, in fact. I was talking. He wanted to take some decision which I'm not very comfortable. I want him to see other possibilities. I was talking. I wanted him to get a breakthrough. But what happened was, finally I got irritated, lot of angry. Finally, I said, you don't need to listen to me. At least Saturday, I will fix an appointment with our coach. I will ask Sukhdevak sir I will ask you to speak to him, at least speak that level, because he's taking some important decision, but he's not seeing any possibilities.
Shall I tell you one thing with Rivel? Such people, they do not value free advice. I'll tell you this.
But the strange thing is, I wanted to inform you that instead of he gets breakthrough, I get angry. Something else is happening.
So, was your attention in your control?
I wanted some outcome that is not happening.
I know, but you didn't answer my question. That when you got angry, was your attention in your control?
Of course, sir. I didn't express it. I was.
Hello. You think and talk, okay? When you get angry, your attention can never be fully in your control. It will be partially distributed in controlling and not expressing that anger, no?
When I was angry, the way I talked to him was a little different. I agree.
That would not be the natural Vitri that I know.
I was just scoring things, and I said, at least you speak to him, at least to that level. Don't take rash decision, something like that.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, who's next?
So yeah, the wonderful thing you said before on anger is
Yeah,
don't talk when you are angry, but you
I
can
didn't say that, by the
consciously,
way.
no, but actually you didn't say that, but
No,
there
I
was something
said,
you mentioned like
I said
when we
if you
generate,
get angry, is your attention in your control? That's what I said. But good,
yeah,
carry on, please. Please carry on.
yeah. No, there was also a statement like कि हमें अगर गुस्सा अगर हम खुद क्रिएट करते हैं तो वी आर ऑलवेज इन कंट्रोल ऑफ इट rather than we get
Exactly.
angry as a reactive.
Exactly.
So that was something
Exactly.
very interesting. And
Exactly.
like about yesterday, sir, no? Yesterday was a day full of communications. Like हमारे लिए घर में हम सबसे with words, with little words, but everybody was communicating with each other. That was a wonderful feeling where we express our whatever the inner feelings, we express our day-to-day issues, small things. But it was a wonderful thing. It happened also without words, also with actions, with sign language and all. Yeah, and it was good. It continued till almost 12 o'clock in the night. And
Wow.
and the wonderful thing yesterday was my papa is normally he will never discourage, he will never discuss much, he will never interfere into anything, and he will never much appreciate also. He's not very appreciative also. He just looked at thing and he's very satisfied, happy, calm, serene. जैसे भगवान होते हैं ना, they don't react, they see everything what is happening in the world. बिल्कुल. But yesterday he appreciated me twice, and I was thinking कि क्या दिन है मेरा, wow. Twice कि Papa said Sandeep,
Oh,
very good,
yeah.
nice. So I was very happy throughout the day.
पिताजी की तारीफ मिल जाए तो जन्नत मिल जाए. Really.
Yes.
Some people are, all their life, desperate. When is that day going to come when my father will appreciate me? Congratulations, man. That's a very good thing. And thank you so much for sharing it with us
Thank you.
so that we realize value of relationships. Fantastic. Okay, who's next? A lot of very quiet people. I don't know who's this. We got some new person today, and the name of that person is Nobody and Everybody. So I wonder who that is. Maybe you can unmute yourself and introduce yourself. Everybody and Nobody. Who's that? I'm quite curious to find out.
That's me, Suchitra.
Hmm? Oh, why don't you just let it be Suchitra only, no? Everybody and Nobody.
Just for a change.
Okay, congratulations. So is there something you'd like to share with us this morning? Since you are a new person for a change.
So I had an extraordinarily ordinary day, but very interesting. Like a stream, it went through various phases and stages, and I flowed with it. And I was able to complete my dry fasting effortlessly, and also processed a lot of my memories without letting them overwhelm me.
Congratulations.
Yes, and process them, and also learned about many things that I have been wanting to learn about. Just gather basic information about them, like a recon mission about AI and things like that.
Yeah. One of these days we are going to talk about this, knowledge hoarding.
And also just an occasional prod to my mom to take her to help her express herself better. Like she watches a lot of satsangs, and she's her nose is to the grindstone through the day. So I wanted her to write what she gleans from each of them.
Fantastic.
And things like that. So.
And where is she today? I cannot see her. Oh, namaskaram. Yeah. Nice to see you. Good. Thank you very much for sharing. Nice to see you. Anything you'd like to share, ma'am?
You want about anger you are talking, sir, now? Anger.
Yeah.
About anger.
If
anyone will get anger and scream and all, no, other persons also will be disturbed.
Yep. Their attention will be also taken away. So you know that exercise which you learned yesterday, keeping your attention in your control, that if somebody is shouting, should you be giving more attention to them? That will disturb you more, no? They are pulling your attention. They are pulling your attention.
Okay.
So if you are able to switch your attention to something else, then will it trouble you so much?
No, sir. That way.
So important thing is we are going to learn to be powerful in putting our attention where we want it.
Okay, sir.
And we can have one day next session or something. I will show you how we can use this even more in our life. Okay. So thank you so much for bringing that to our notice. Thank you so much. All right.
Whose rage she's talking about?
We don't know. So now you have become dry and you've become fast, Suchitra?
What's that?
After you're dry fast, you become dry and fast. All right. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay, who's next? And then we'll move on to the next part of what we have to do today. So let's move on anyway. So we have lots of good friends here. I would love for each and everyone to talk then. That would be another way of going about it. So the purpose of these every morning conversations is that we can have what we all want. See, what is that we all want? We want a life of ease, joy, and glory. Isn't that what we want? So the way to be in life, okay, there is a way of being in life. If you be that, then everything else will effortlessly follow. In life, we are mostly focusing on doing, and always you want to know, what should I do? What should I do? It's interesting that when you shift your focus to being a different way, a lot of actions will automatically follow. Nobody may need to tell you also. Anyway, so we have to be a certain way in life so that we can have a life of ease, joy, and glory. And these morning sessions are meant to take us there. Okay? These morning sessions are meant to allow us to overcome this negativity that is trying to pull us down. Too much of it, isn't it? We are bombarded by it all the time. Now, either we are going to let that influence us, or we are going to influence it. Which one is better, do you think? That we allow everybody and everything to influence us, or we be the influencers? Now, unfortunately, right from our childhood, the way things are going is that we are being influenced, indoctrinated all the time. So much so that, at least I realized at the age of 27 that I never made a free choice in my whole life. My father was dictating what I should do, or my mother was telling me how I should behave, which was fine. I liked what she was asking me. But when did I ever make a choice for myself? So the first time in 1982, I made a choice. And boy, was the family all out against me. What is wrong with you? Who leaves a multinational job? But I was making a choice. Okay? And believe me, you find me here talking to you because I made that choice in 1982. And I'm very happy with it. So the question today is, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is who will I be? Who will I be that I can choose my life instead of letting my circumstances decide the course of my life? This is what I want you to think about. Who will I be that I can choose my life instead of letting my circumstances decide the course of my life? So we are going to ask to facilitate, people listen to things differently. So I want to make sure that everybody gets it the way it is intended. Where is my friend Sandeep? Could you please give us a Hindi accurate word-by-word translation of it? Then we will ask Reddy Garu to do after that. Who will I be that I can choose my life instead of letting my circumstances decide the course of my life? And many of you may find that, yes, it's true. To a great degree, the circumstances have decided for me. And some of us who went to eminence were the ones who had the guts to choose their life. So who's going to say, somebody's mic is unmuted, please mute it. Thank you. Mr. Varnekar, are you there? I don't know if he's there.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Yeah, so would you say this in Hindi, please? Somebody's mic is making some funny noise, you know. Yeah, go ahead. Never mind. So we will open the floor and we will request another great gentleman who's there with us to do that. Kuldeep ji, the floor is yours. Who will I be that I can choose my life instead of letting my circumstances decide the course of my life? How would we say that in Hindi?
सर, बाहर की परिस्थितियों को मेरी जीवन को निश्चित करने की बजाय मैं क्या होऊंगा अगर मैं अपने
मुझे क्या होना होगा, मुझे किस तरह
क्या
का
होना होगा कि मैं अपने चुनाव को या अपनी चॉइस को डिसाइड कर सकूं अपने जीवन के बारे में.
या चॉइस को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में?
चॉइस को चुनाव कह सकते हैं. चॉइस को
See, choice is on one side, decision is another. They are two different things, right?
Choice is different, decision is different, of course.
So what is, there must be a word for choice, you know.
Pasand.
Pasand.
Chan, sir, Chan.
Okay.
Chayan.
Okay, never mind.
Chayan.
Yeah, but everybody got it. Ready,
मतलब
Garu?
मतलब कहने का ये मैं क्या चयन करूंगा जिससे कि अपनी लाइफ के बारे में क्या चयन करूंगा अपनी लाइफ.
मतलब I will choose.
Yes.
Rather than letting the circumstances decide. Very simple.
क्या नक्की करूंगा?
नक्की करूंगा.
Is that correct?
I don't know. I don't know the word nakki. See, nakki is also a decision. Yes, Ashok, please go ahead.
Can I try?
Yes,
I am not
please.
translating.
No, I want a literal translation word by word. After that, you can do the other thing.
मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए जिससे मैं मेरी तकदीर बना सकता हूँ.
ना कि
जिससे मैं मेरी तकदीर बना सकता हूँ.
मुझे ना कि मेरी परिस्थितियां मेरे बारे में निर्णय ले रही हैं.
That is negative thought, so I don't want to put it.
I will not allow that to happen. मतलब
but even then we are talking something about negative. That negative word itself I don't want it.
Okay, very nice.
मैं मेरी तकदीर खुद बना सकता हूँ.
मैं अपनी तकदीर का खुद निर्माण करूंगा.
निर्माण कर सकता हूँ. निर्माण करूं. That is more positive. That's
correct. निर्माण करूं. मुझे कैसा होना है जिससे कि मैं अपने जिंदगी का निर्माण करूं.
मैं मेरी खुद की तकदीर
का निर्माण
करूं.
फैसला is the right word. फैसला
is decision.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
You know, I'll tell you something, ladies and gentlemen. I have been in my inquiry, at least. You can check in yourself and find out if it's true or not. I discovered that we are so much conditioned only to make decisions. We don't make choices at all. So this is a new way of living where we are choosing instead of deciding. But that will be a topic for another day. So the question for today is, you think, who will I have to be that I can choose my life instead of letting my circumstances decide the course of my life?
So very soft translation could be कि मैं परिस्थितियों में बह जाने के बजाय मैं अपने आप को किस तरह से चुनकर योग्य निर्णय ले सकता हूँ या
निर्णय से डिसीजन ना. मर्जी कह सकते हैं. मैं अपनी मर्जी से जीऊंगा।
तो दिस इज मोर अबाउट एंकरिंग सर, है ना, कि परिस्थितियां कैसे भी हो, बट हाउ कैन आई एंकर एंड हाउ कैन आई डिसाइड। मुझे
इफ यू एंकर तो आपको एक जगह में स्थगित करता है ना, इट कीप्स यू स्टक इन वन प्लेस। व्हाट इज एन एंकर? व्हेन द शिप इज ऑन द सी, इट कम्स टुवर्ड्स द शोर, it doesn't want to be pushed around, so it puts an anchor
for a time being,
right? And then when it has a choice now when to remove it or not. So in that manner, what you're saying is very, very useful. Okay, I will decide when to put the anchor, I will decide when to, so I will choose that. Okay, there have been many people who chose to take the ship out into the storm. Decision would have been, don't go, you will sink. There were people, they were being told, oh, you can't sail far away, you will fall off the edge of the earth. But they chose to go on that adventure. Decision would have been, don't go, listen to everybody, that is a big risk, right? Choice was, I will do it. Yeah. See, mostly tell me, when we are doing something in life, you know what is deciding for us? Our own comfort. When you want to do something different, have you noticed how uncomfortable it is?
Yes.
So who's deciding whether you'll do something or not?
Outsiders.
Comfort. I'm not comfortable doing this. Now choice would be that, hello, I'm not comfortable, still I'm going to do it. That is my choice. I'm not going to let the comfort decide it. Ultimately, it is choice. You have to choose. I don't have to tell you what is your choice. So just think about this today and see what is going to open up in your life. If you are in this vichardhara, if you are in this thought frame, see what is going to happen in your life today. Who will I be? Means not what will I do. I'm not saying what will I do. Who will I be? That I can choose my life instead of letting my circumstances decide the course of my life. So guys, this is what I wanted to say. Now I want you to say what's opening up for you.
सर एक और चीज शेयर करनी थी।
जरूर करिए सर।
बिल्कुल लिटरल ट्रांसलेशन तो नहीं, लेकिन ये बात ऐसे भी कही जा सकती है कि मैं ऐसा क्या बनूं,
ब्यूटीफुल,
कि मेरी मन स्थिति परिस्थितियों को निश्चित करे, न कि परिस्थितियां मेरी मन स्थिति।
वाह, दैट्स अनदर वे ऑफ पुटिंग इट। या फैंटास्टिक। बट वो फिर वहां पे सिर्फ मनस्थिति पे सीमित हो गई ना। तो पहला कदम तो यही है कि मेरी मनस्थिति मैं बनाऊं।
हाँ, मेरी मनस्थिति कैसी हो। बिल्कुल।
हाँ, और फिर मैं चॉइस से जी सकता हूँ ना। देन आई कैन लिव बाय चॉइस।
बिल्कुल।
ब्यूटीफुल, फैंटास्टिक। See how much thinking and dwelling on something opens up,
But sir, I want to ask you,
yes, please do.
This choosing comes at what time? Like
whenever
you got to choose. कि मैं डिसाइड करूंगा, I'll not
decide नहीं करोगे, चूज करूंगा।
What time you choose?
Every 10 seconds you can choose, sir. I can choose whether I choose to sit here or I stand up and talk to you. I have a choice, na?
No, you got it much later. But what makes you think that way? That must be
choice
some knowledge.
Is choice. It's not about any. See, Gopalji, if there is a reason, then it's not a choice, it's a decision. See, we are so accustomed to doing everything because of this and because of that. Why are you going to Mumbai? Because I want to be with my daughter. Why are you going to Pune? Because I want to be in my house for some time. So all our causes are deciding, na? The becauses have been deciding. But you can simply choose, na? I'm going to Mumbai because I choose to go to Mumbai.
Yeah.
Does there have to be always reason for everything? So think about it. See what opens up. Something new, if it is opening up for you, good. So when you are, जब हम एक प्रश्न में रहते हैं,
first quote that comes to in mind.
Yes, अभिनव जी बताइए.
खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि तेरी हर डेस्टिनी से पहले खुदा खुद बंदे मुझे बता तेरी रजा क्या है.
ये भी बात सही है. It comes from the same place.
यस सर,
जिस चीज की हम बात कर रहे हैं वहीं से आती है ये भी बात.
वही है, बिल्कुल
Yeah,
वही.
everybody please mute yourself क्योंकि there's some interference coming. Anand Kumar ji, you would like to say something to us? I think. No. Okay. Who else?
Sir,
Yes.
so this opens up some 3 different points for me. One is like I would like to have a go at the Hindi translation. I don't know why. I'm tempted to go for the Hindi translation just for my own clarity.
So do it.
And that I'll do with your permission later.
Yeah, I said do it now.
Yeah, okay. Okay. मुझे क्या होना चाहिए कि मैं अपने विकल्प के निर्णय खुद कर सकूं ताकि बल्कि जिंदगी के परिस्थितियां मेरा जीवन का रुख निर्णय करे.
Wow, that is the most accurate translation that we've got today. You nailed it.
So three attributes come up, sir, to me, that if I want to make my own choices, I have to be extremely powerful. I have to be resilient and responsible. So these are the 3 things that opened up to me. If I want to make my choices and to keep at it day after day. So that's the one.
Fantastic, fantastic.
And the third point which came up is so Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi, he says that our entire life is a predestined show. And all the decisions that the body mind, all the choices are made. They are made beforehand. And so simply just knowing this opens up the dimension of peace. So this is another point which came to my mind. So
very nice, very nice, very nice.
I would like to add one word, 2 sentences only. Like a lot of spiritual scriptures and motivational speeches, they always talk about destiny is already predetermined. But there is very important statement where everybody will find it very knowingly, unknowingly, very certainly they put it. कि हाँ, the destiny is predetermined. लेकिन क्या भरोसा कि डेस्टिनी में लिखा होगा कोशिश करेंगे तो मिलेगा. तो कोशिश तो हमारे हाथ में होती है.
Okay, let us stay on. Thank you so much for sharing it. But now, see, Suchitra has done a good translation, excellent one, in fact. Okay, captures the words exactly in the way I said it. And what it makes you think that, you'll have to be something. Correct? So all 3 points which he made, I think point to be noted there. But if you choose to live your life like this, you are going to be a very powerful person because you will have no choice about that. You can't choose to be weak, right? So powerful people, and we have a lot of powerful people on this call, by the way. Powerful people have gone beyond circumstances. Otherwise, they would have never been eminent people, And we are all eminent in our own way, but we also get stopped in our own way in different areas of life, isn't it? So just to remind you, what do we want? A life of ease, joy, and glory. And we can choose a life of joy, ease. Ease means freedom from struggle. Joy, you know what joy is, and glory, that you know that you're leading a glorious life. So on that note, guys, thank you very much. Dwell on this thought today. Okay? Keep thinking about it. See, when you remain in a question, many things will open up. Unfortunately, human beings have a tendency, isko bhi leke, you will make some conclusion out of it. Okay? Somebody will make a conclusion. So be in the question and see what new possibilities are opening up. Then we will see. Now, I just want to remind you that you can live your whole day in your default mode. So if you live in your default mode, you will come and tell me, sir, it was like a day like any other day. See, the truth is no day is like any other day. But if you live your day consciously and aware, okay, जागरूक होके जिएंगे तो you will see, wow, what a great adventure this is. You know, so many interesting things. Same things might be happening yesterday also, but they were not looking so interesting. So if you listen to Kuldeep ji, he's doing, some people might say, इसमें क्या है, he has rearranged his books and all. No, उसमें बहुत कुछ है. When you do with awareness, it's like, wow, you know. Like when you look at those 50 different objects and you suddenly say, wow, how nice this is. I didn't see it as this. Those the same things that are there. So some people might say, okay, Sandeep had a conversation with members of his family. What's the big deal about it? Right? But I say it is a big deal for him, right? Because the first time he was being with his family in a very, very different way. Right? So what I'm saying is, instead of being in your default mode, the auto mode, jisko hum bolte hain, be in your conscious mode. And this question which I have asked you to think about will make you more conscious today. How would you like that? How does it get better than that? So my dear friends, wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary people, with great love and humility, I wish you a wonderful day and see you tomorrow morning at 7:30, ready to go. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.